Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn about SA 701 in briefly, okay, which is one of the most important topic in CA final audit. Okay, so SA 701 क्या है? That is communicating key audit matters in an independent auditor's report. First we will learn what are key audit matters. So key audit matters are those matters which in auditor's professional judgment are of significant importance for the audit of financial statements of the current year. Okay, so auditors take these key matters from the matters discussed with TCWG, that is those charged with governance. So for considering these key audit matters in auditor's report, okay, auditor's report have many titles. In those, one of title is key audit matters. Okay, auditors should mention, for listed companies it is compulsory to mention key audit matters in the auditor's report. Okay, so for considering or for drafting or for mentioning key audit matters in the auditor's report, auditors should consider these like three important factors which help them in identifying the key audit matters. So first one is areas of highly assessed risk of material misstatement identified in accordance with SA 315, that is which is related to identification of material misstatement by understanding the entity and its environment. Okay, this one is the first important factor. And now coming to second important factor, significant auditor's judgment on the areas of financial statement, which also includes management judgment, including accounting estimates, which are like described as a highly uncertain. Okay, for like estimation is described as a highly uncertain or identified as a highly uncertain estimation. Okay, so those matters for which auditor has a significant judgment, and that also includes management judgment also and accounting estimate also, and that estimation is highly uncertain, then there is a chances that this is a significant audit item and this is a significant key audit matter which should be reported in the auditor's financial report, or which should be notified in the auditor's audit report, not financial report, auditor's audit report. Okay, now coming to third one, effect on the audit of significant transaction or events occurred during the year. Okay, those significant transactions or events that occurred during the year in a company which is affecting the auditor's opinion significantly, then that matter is considered as a key audit matter. Okay, so three important factors: one is highly assessed risk of material misstatement, second one is significant auditor's judgment, which also includes management judgment and accounting estimates, which is uncertain, and third one is significant transactions and events which are affecting the audit of the, like, auditor's opinion or audit during the year. Okay, these are the three important factors. Now coming to whether it is necessary to mention the key audit matters. So yes, it is compulsory for listed companies or listed entities to mention. Okay, whenever auditor is auditing the listed company's financial statements, then it is mandatory for auditor to mention key audit matters. And if it is unlisted company, then they can mention or not, no problem. Okay, so now coming to third thing, whether key audit matters related only to financial statements. No, so for key audit matters, there are linked to financial statements for most of the areas, but if the key audit matter which is affecting the decision making or economic decision making ability of the users, or which is important for audit opinion, and which is not a financial item or which is not linked to the financial statement, then that matter is also called as key audit matter. For example, if entity has changed their IT system or information system, then that is also a key audit matter. Okay, then company should auditor should mention those key audit matters in his auditor report. Now coming to fourth important point, whether if auditor has modified his audit report, then is it necessary to mention key audit matters regarding those modified opinion in the key audit matter paragraph? No, it is not necessary. Either that matter may be mentioned in modified opinion or key audit matters. If the matter is opinion, like if auditor is not satisfied with the audit evidence obtained, or if auditor after examining the audit evidence he finds that there are material misstatement in the financial statement, and if auditor has not obtained any sufficient appropriate audit evidence, then he can modify his opinion in the auditor's report. If he modifies his opinion in the auditor's report, then there is no need to mention key audit matters. Then there is no need to mention that matter in the key audit matter paragraph. Okay. So in that case, auditor can mention that except to the matter mentioned in the qualified like disclaimer of opinion paragraph or qualified opinion paragraph, there are no other key matters which needs to be reflected or which needs to be mentioned here. Auditor should give this disclaimer in the auditor's report. Okay, so these are the important factors around or important topic of SS 701, which is most important topic of CA final audit. You may expect a question from this topic, so please prepare accordingly, and all the best for your exams. If you have any doubts, then please mention your doubts in comment section below. I'll reply to every doubt you have. Okay, thank you so much. All the best.